Good morning, everyone. Yeah,
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah, good morning, good morning. I have shared my screen. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so if we recall the last lecture, we have started with the change of order of the integration, right? So if some of the region we are given in which we have sharp edge like triangle or this kind of region we are given, at that time when we consider the particular strip which is comfortable or which from which we can easily solve the integration, so that is what the benefit of the change of order. For example, in this case, suppose the x variable is varying from a to b, and corresponding to this we have here sharp edge, and this one is the function represented by suppose f1 of x and this is f2 of x. In that case, if I consider these strip, then you can see that since it is perpendicular to x-axis, x variable will be changing from a to b, and y variable, sorry, it is perpendicular to y-axis. So in that case, constant limits we have to determine, which is from 0 to something, and in that case, x variable will vary from this function to this function. It will, you can convert this in terms of y also. Instead of that, if you consider the vertical strip, means suppose vertical strip is represented by this one. In that case, now this is the vertical strip, therefore value of x will be constant. In that case, it will be vary from a to b, and here you can see that when we consider the limit of y, it will be starting from 0 to, in this direction we have to see the limit, and it will be from this point to this curve, right? Similarly, if I consider it over here or over here, so you can see that lower limit will remain same, that is 0 in both the cases, but upper limit, as I change it in this region, suppose strip is it is in this region, then it will be 0 to f1 of x, and if it is in this region, then it is from 0 to f2 x, right? So I have to first consider both of this integration evaluation, right? And then I will be able to answer the corresponding integration. So you can see that if we consider the vertical strip, we have to determine two regions, whereas in the first case where we have considered the horizontal strip, we have to determine just one region, right? And changing of order you can consider by whatever is the existing strip you are given. Suppose it is vertical in nature, then changing of order can be considered by the perpendicular, considering by the perpendicular strip, and accordingly you know how to decide the limits of the x variable and y variable, right? So let us see, we have seen actually this example in the previous case if you remember, right? So in which the original strip you can see that value of y is given to be constant. That means this is the original strip, purple color, and then we have changed the order by considering the perpendicular strip to the original strip, which is blue in color. So that is, and then we have decided the limit. So this is perpendicular to x-axis, therefore x limit will be constant, and so this is, you can see we have changed the order from this integral to this integral, right? So that is what the example we have seen in the last class. Let us consider some more examples based on this one so that your idea about the change of integration may get clear. So for that, we will consider first 18 as the first one, then we will consider some more examples. So 18 example is evaluate the integration is given where integrand is 1 by changing the order of the integration, right? So tell me which strip you are given, horizontal or vertical? Decide कैसे करोगे? Any one of you would like to give the answer or I will tell you?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Why? Very good. That is the correct one.
Because constant part is dy, so it will be horizontal to x-axis.
Yes, you can see that. Let me write first that integration. So it is evaluate y is equal to 0 to 1. I will just write the question first. 0 to 1 and 4y to 4 dx dy by changing the order. Right, so let us start with the solution. Before moving to the solution, we need to consider the region first, right? But before going to the region, I will draw your attention over here. Since inner integral is depending on x, right, this is given to you. If it is not given, then also you can say this limit will be depending on y, means it is the limits of x variable, hence by default this will be the limits of y variable. So y variable having the constant limits, right? So let us draw the region, and y variable will have the constant limit. It means that the strip we are going to consider will be perpendicular to y axis, right? So जो भी limit strip होगी, original strip, that will be horizontal in nature. Now x is equal to 4y, x is equal to 4. So let me consider 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the point 4 comma 0. So x is equal to 4 means it is this particular line. So I will draw this line first, right? This is nothing but x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, corresponding y variable is 1, right? So see, x is equal to 4 when I consider, so y variable is 1. When x is 0, y variable is 0. So when I draw this straight line, it will passes through the origin as well as it will pass through this point if I consider this as y is equal to 1. So this one will be the point 4 comma 1. So that one will be satisfied by this equation. So let me consider the corresponding straight line as this one, which is having equation x is equal to 4y, right? So what are the given quantities? Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means it will be represented by this x axis. Y is equal to 1 means it will be represented by this line, right? Which is y is equal to 1. So when you consider the given region, so this is y is equal to 0, this is y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 4y means it is this one, and then x is equal to 4. So that is this one. So given region is this one, right? I will denote it with R, but let me consider it outside of the triangle. Now original strip we are given is this one, because it is horizontal in nature, because it will give you the y limits constant. Now we want to change the order. To change the order of the integration, we have to consider the perpendicular strip to the original strip. That means it will be this one. And in this case, let me write change of order strip. Right? So in this case, now x variable will have a constant limits which will be varying from
0 to 4.
0 to 4. Very good. And y variable will vary from
0 to 1.
0 to x.
0 to ये स्ट्रिप को है ना, आप लोग अलाउ करो ये स्ट्रिप
X
को
by 4.
ट्राइंगल में मूव करने का, तो ये डायरेक्शन में एक्स एक्सिस है वो 0 to 4 मूव हो रहा है. देन अगर ये स्ट्रिप यहाँ पर मैं लेती हूँ तो वो कहाँ से कहाँ वेरी हो रहा है?
0 to 4y.
0 to x by 4.
0 टू किसकी लिमिट आप डिसाइड कर रहे हो? x की लिमिट आपने ऑलरेडी डिसाइड कर दी 0 to 4. अब आप y की लिमिट डिसाइड कर रहे हो, तो इट विल बी वेरिंग फ्रॉम 0. आपका क्लियर है कि सभी जगह मैं जब भी स्ट्रिप लूंगी तो इट विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 to समथिंग. बट व्हाट इज दिस समथिंग नाउ?
by 4.
X by 4.
X
X
by
by
4.
4.
It is not 1, it is not just x, it is exactly x by 4. So strip जब भी लेते हो तो allow it to move in the region, then only you will be able to decide which value it will take, right? So let me know. We have now changed the order. See here, y variable having constant limits, now x variable will have a constant limits, and order will be also changed. That means it will be now dx, sorry, dy and dx. So from the figure, how we have determined the limits and how we have changed the order, is it clear to everyone? Please raise your hand. Very good. Okay. See, if you don't get this idea, then you will have a problem in the integrations everywhere. So please, अगर आपको यहाँ पर कहीं पर भी doubt है, तो ask me the question and solve your query if you have any. Okay. So let us now solve this example. So what we'll write here, first of all, to draw the region, we have to write the corresponding statements. So given, so it is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4y, right? I will write that part here. So by solving these equations, the intersection points of the region, or you can write region is bounded by, let me write that part. We come to know that, or whatever you want to make the statements, that you can to know that the region R is bounded by which lines? So first x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, then x is equal to 4y, right? And it is, let me write it, it is a triangle with vertices 0, 0, then it is 4, 0, and which point 4, 1, as shown in the figure. So by changing the order, of integration, we have, so kya, first we will write down the given expression, given integration, that is y is equal to 0 to 1. Then we are given 4y to 4 dx dy is equal to the change of integration we have considered, that is, it is this one, which is written with the pink color. So that is x is equal to 0 to 4, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x by 4 dy dx. So when you solve it, x is equal to 0 to 4, outer integral will keep as it is. Now inner integral integration, since integrand is 1, so therefore integration will be y, and it will be varying from 0 to x by 4 dx. So this is nothing but integration 0 to 4 x by 4 minus 0, so just x by 4. 1 upon 4 being a constant quantity, I can take it outside, and integration of x is x square by 2, which is varying from 0 to 4. So you can see that 1 upon 8, 16 minus 0, so answer is 2. Final answer is 2, right? Okay, let us do another example. For that, yes, this is the second example, 17 number. Evaluate the double integration we are given, limits we are given by changing the order of integration. Tell me, which is the original strip you are given, vertical or horizontal?
Vertical strip.
Vertical strip, very good. Right, first draw the region, which region you will get. I am giving you 2-3 minutes to draw the region and then decide the limits. If you are getting it, let me know, otherwise I will do it. Actually, you can see that this is the value of y. Inner integral is depending on y and outer integral is depending on x. Here the printing mistake is there. Actually, it is dy dx. So make a correction over here if you have taken the printout of this notes. Otherwise, you can keep in mind that here there is a correction that original order we are given is dy dx, not dx dy. Of course, we have to consider over here a greater than 0. Anyone has drawn the region?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What it will be? Intersection of which lines or curves?
Parabola and line.
Parabola and lines. Which parabola it will be?
Symmetric about horizontal axis.
Symmetric.
X-axis.
Yes, symmetric about the horizontal axis. Okay, let us see. And have you changed the order? ये जो 7
No,
लोग
it's left.
ओके, ये जो 4 लोगों ने अभी हाथ ऊपर करके रखा है, प्लीज नीचे कर दीजिए. इशिका, रिया, शिवांगी एंड त्रुषित. Okay, how many of you have drawn the region? Please raise your hand. Very good. I am drawing it. Just check whether your region is correct or not. So given quantity, we have x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to square root of ax, and y is equal to a. So for sake of simplicity, I will write it as y square is equal to ax. So y square is equal to ax will be symmetric about which axis?
X-axis.
X-axis.
Sure, it will be x-axis.
Ma'am, it's given positive root x, so above one part only will come. Lower part will not come.
Yeah, but it will be symmetric about x-axis or y-axis.
X-axis.
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 X-axis. Fine. So it will be this one actually, right? So intersection point, if you see, suppose I will consider this line as x is equal to a. A is any point greater than 0. So let me consider this line a, x is equal to a as this one. Then when I consider x is equal to a, y value will be plus or minus a. So since we are concerned about just first quadrant, the intersection point will be a comma a, right? And y is equal to a means it will be this line. Y is equal to a, this is x is equal to a, this is x is equal to 0, and this is y square is equal to ax. तो कौन सा रीजन आपने लिया है, अपर वाला और लोअर वाला?
Upper.
Upper.
Upper wala. Let us see. X is equal to 0 means it is this one. X is equal to a means it is this line. So it is corresponds to this point actually. Then y square is equal to ax, that is it is this curve, and y is equal to a means it is this curve. So actually this is the region we are having. We will denote it with R. In that case, the original strip we are given value of x is constant, so original strip is this one, which is vertical in nature. Therefore when you consider the change of order, I have to consider this strip, and in that case value of y will be constant and value of x will be varying. So allow this strip to move in this region. What will be the constant limits of y?
0 to a.
0 to a.
0 to a. Y is equal to 0 to a. And what about x limits? ये डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगी वो.
Ma'am, 0 to
0
y
to y square a.
y square by a.
0 to y square by a. X is equal to 0 to y square by a. Right? And that is what the reason we have considered a to be greater than 0, so that this quantity is not what you can say invalid, right? So we have to put a is greater than 0 in the example, right? Yes. So let us write down the description of this figure, right? So the region R is bounded by the lines. So which line? It is x is equal to 0, y is equal to a, and the curve y square is equal to ax having intersecting points. तो कौन से intersecting points है? एक तो 0, 0. This point will be 0, a, and this is a, a. So therefore you can write by changing the order of the integration, we have. तो क्या हो जाएगा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आप जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो लिख दीजिए. सो इट इज एक्चुअली 0 to a. I will write it with the small letters because integrand is taking too much place in that case. So square root of ax to a, y square, square root of y raised to 4 minus a square x square dy dx is equal to. So now rest of the quantity integrand will remain same in that case when you change the order, right? Change of order of the integration will only affect on the limits as well as the order of dy and dx. It will not affect on the integrand. Integrand will remain same. So here we have y raised to 4 minus a square x square. Instead of dy dx, now we have converted it to dx dy, right? Within 2 minutes, solve this integration and tell me the answer.
Pi a square by 6.
Pi a square by 6. Very good. Which formula you have applied for the integration?
Sine inverse.
Yes,
Under
sine.
1 upon under root a square minus x square.
Yes. Very good. So if you see here, y variable is the outer corresponding to outer integral. So y will remain constant when we solve the inner integral with respect to x. So I will consider y square common. And if you remember the sine inverse formula, integration of square root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a. In that case, I have to take this a square as the common quantity outside of the square root. So it will be outside of the square root when we consider. So it will become y square by a. 0 to y square by a is the given limit, and it is 1 upon now square root of y square upon a square minus x square. So this is the standard form whose integration formula is known to you. That is now a square minus x square with the square root in the denominator will give you the integration as sine inverse x by a, where a is this bracket quantity, right? So it will be y is equal to 0 to a y square by a sine inverse x by a. By a means it is y square upon a, varying from 0 to y square by a dy. So here when I substitute x is equal to y square by d, sine inverse 1, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, and sine inverse 0 is 0. So I can consider here pi by 2 into 1 upon a being a constant quantity outside of the integration. And now integration of y square is nothing but y cube by 3. So I am directly writing the integration y cube by 3, and it is varying from 0 to a. So now it is pi upon 2a into a cube by 3 minus 0. So this is nothing but pi a square upon 6. So how to solve such a integration by changing the order? Is it clear to everyone? Please raise your hand. Already 13 लोगों ने तो हाथ ऊपर करके रखा है. Okay. So if you remember, in the last class, we have discussed this example in which the region has to be divided into two parts if we consider the horizontal strips. And then we are going to solve it. I have told you that I am going to consider that example. Okay, so let us consider this example now. So it will be yes, change the order of the integration. यहाँ पर सिर्फ change the order of the integration लिखा है, but and evaluate it. That is the example we have. So which strip originally we are given?
Horizontal.
Horizontal, because you can see that this is corresponds. I will always suggest you that never see this order. Always you determine the order from the limits we are given. So since this is the variable x limits in the inner integral, therefore this has to be limits of y. So outer integral will be limits of x, and x variable limits are constant. So in that case, your original strip will be vertical in nature. And when you change the order, it will become the horizontal. Is it clear, Arya?
तो मैम उससे क्यों डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते?
किसे?
ये dy dx या जो भी था उसमें।
नहीं, मतलब कभी कभी प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक या तो पेपर में हो जाती है या तो कभी भी हो जाती है। इन दैट केस आप इसी से, और ये तो अभी आपको दिया हुआ है, सपोज यहाँ पे डीए दिया होता तो आप क्या करते?
हाँ तो वो उस पर ही जाते लिमिट पर।
Yes. So always make a practice of deciding the order from the limits only.
ओके
If
मैम।
if they are constants, then you have to follow the order which is given in the integrand. But if they are not constant, means in terms of variable we are given the limits, you always make a practice to take it from order you decide from this variable limits only, right? Nothing is
ओके
wrong,
मैम।
but in any case, if you have some printing mistake has been done or whatever has been done, in that case you will have a confusion. So I will advise you make a practice of this one, else is up to you, right? Okay, so let us consider this example. Try to draw this region. One you can see it is straight line, one is parabola, and other two are just constant lines, constant limits lines, right? So let us see this one. I have already drawn it, but I will again refer to it. So I'm not writing the entire expression and entire question over here. It is just integration x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to x square to 2 minus x. Integrand is x, y, dy, dx. So suppose we are given this as the coordinate system. In that case, x is equal to 0 means it is y-axis. Then if I consider x is equal to 1 as this one, x is equal to 2 as this one, then this is the point 1 comma 0, this is the point 2 comma 0, in which I have to draw this straight line which is corresponds to x is equal to 1, right? Let us now draw this parabola y is equal to x square. So it is symmetric about which axis?
y axis।
Y-axis. And since we are concerned about the first quadrant, and it will be, let me draw it first. When x is equal to 1, corresponding y value is also 1. So wherever it will touch the x-axis, I will draw this particular line as this point will be 1 comma 1. And this is y is equal to x square. Another thing we are given is y is equal to 2 minus x. So when x is equal to 0, y value is 1. So this is suppose y value 1. So this will be corresponds to y is equal to 2 value, right? So this is one of the point of the straight line, and when x is equal to 1, y value is also 1. So this is also another intersecting point, and when x is equal to 0, it will be 2 comma 0. So we have to draw the straight line which will pass through these three. You can orient your notebook and you can draw the corresponding line. I am not able to draw it. Because sometimes this graphic pad I cannot orient in that sense. But assume that this is the straight line given by y is equal to 2 minus x. So let us see the intersecting part of it. So what is it? So first of all, x is equal to 0 means it is this one. X is equal to 1 means it is this one, right? Then y is equal to x square. So it is the curve y is equal to parabola, and this is the straight line, this one. So given region is this one, right? This point will be which point? It will be 2 comma 0. This is already we have 0 comma 0. So region R is given by this intersection of these three curves, in which the boundary points we can say it is 0, 0, 2, 0 and 1, 1, right? And the original strip, integration, if we represented it by strip, then since x variable is a constant, so original strip is this one. That is what the given quantity. So before changing the order, I will describe all these things first. So as shown in the figure, the region R is bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2 minus x, having boundary points as one is 0, 0, then it is 2, 0 and third one is 1, 1, right? So I will just write this is for your reference, or original strip, that is vertical. So by changing the order, we have to consider the strip perpendicular to it, that is this one. क्या होगा लिमिट अभी यहाँ पर? पहले तो किसका लिमिट कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा?
Y.
Y
Y
का
का. And it will vary from
0 to 2.
0 to 2. Very good. What about x-axis, x variables limit?
दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होगा.
It will be divided into two parts, right? As I have already told you, you can see that if I consider this strip in this region, then it will be vary from 0 to y is equal to x square. This is nothing but y is equal to x square. So it will be vary from 0 to square root of y. We will consider positive square root since we are moving in the first quadrant. So 0 to square root of y, and if I allow this strip to move in this region, then when it reach to this particular point, then y will x variable limit will be varying from 0 to this line, which is a straight line, and it is nothing but x is equal to 2 minus y. So I cannot consider the entire region by just one integration. I have to divide this region where we have a sharp edge. So this region I will denote it with R1. This region I will denote it with R2, right? So let us consider now change of order. R1 के corresponding जो भी integral होगा, we will call it as I1. R2 के corresponding जो integral होगा, we will call it as I2. And finally, changing of order means this double integration will be nothing but in I1 plus I2 summation, right? So whatever value we will get for I1 and I2, that we have to sum up to find out the entire region integration. Let me know, is this point clear to everyone? Please raise your hand.
And that intersection point will be 0 2, not 2 0.
Just a minute. Yeah, of course it is on the y-axis, so that is my mistake. This is 0 and 2. Here it is also 0 and 2, right? Fine. So let us write up this part. Yes.
ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिप हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं आएगा.
अच्छा, ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिप जब भी हम लेते हैं तो कैसे लेते हैं वो बताइए पहले.
बिकॉज यहाँ y इज वेरिंग फ्रॉम x स्क्वायर टू 2 माइनस x.
हम स्ट्रिप कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं ये बताइए बंसी. बंसी प्लीज आंसर.
clear about it.
If you are not clear, let me give you again the statement. Whichever variable you are given as a constant limits perpendicular to that axis, you have to consider the strip. Is this statement clear?
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
भी वेरिएबल का कांस्टेंट लिमिट होता है उसके उस एक्सिस से परपेंडिकुलर आपको स्ट्रिप लेना है. तो यहाँ पर which variable having the constant limits?
X.
x. तो ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिप आपका कहाँ पर आएगा? परपेंडिकुलर टू x एक्सिस आएगा. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore it will be with the blue color I have drawn. That means it is a vertical. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we can write here by changing the order of the integration. We have to consider कौन सी strip? Horizontal strip, right? And for that we have to divide the region R into two parts, R1 and R2, as shown in the figure, right? So therefore we can write the original integration. We are given x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to x square 2, y is equal to 2 minus x. Integrand we are given xy dy dx is equal to, और सपोज आप इसको ऐसे लिख देते हो और रहने दो, ऐसे मत लिखो, is equal to I1 plus I2, where I1 is equal to and I2 is equal to. तो I1 is corresponds to R1 region. तो पहले R1 region if we consider, so this is divided. So this is R1 region. Let me. This is R1, right? And this one is R2, right? So in that case, first let us decide the limits of the region R1. I1 integration जो हमें compute करना है, तो पहले तो it is horizontal in nature, means it is perpendicular to y axis, therefore y axis limit, y variable limits will be constant, and this is nothing but 0, 1. So let me know the y variable limits will be varying from
0.
0 to 1. And when we consider I2, that is corresponds to R2, y variable limits will be varying from 1 to 2. So it is 1 to 2. Let us decide now x variable limits. So for I1 what it will be? ये डायरेक्शन में आपको देखना होगा, तो it is 0 to square root of y. So x is equal to 0 to square root of y, and in the second region it will be varying from 0 to
2 y.
2 minus y. So it is 0 to 2 minus y. Integrand will remain same, but now this order is changed. That is, it is xy dx dy, right? So quickly I will give this as star equation because we are going to substitute the value in the star. So quickly solve this I1 and I2 and let me know the answer.
I by 4.
I1 is 5 by 24.
After adding both.
After adding both. Okay, so what is the value of I1?
Wait 1 minute. I1 equals to 2 by 3.
What is I1 value?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. And what about I2? Ma'am, I1 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3.
1 by 6, ma'am.
Ma'am, I2 is 2 by.
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 6. I1 is equal.
1 by 6. देते जाओ आंसर.
Yes, ma'am, it's 1 by 6. I1 is equal to.
I1 is equal to 1 by 6. Or what about I2?
1 by 2.
Some of you are saying 2 by 3 is the value of I2. Some of you are saying I2 is 1 by 2. Let us see. Since we are taking integration with respect to x in the inner integration, so we will treat y as constant. So y as it is, and x square by 2 is the integration in which the limits are varying from 0 to square root of y dy. So that is equal to integration 0 to 1 by 1 by 2 I can take outside of the integration, and now it is x square, that is square root of y square minus 0, so it is this one, and therefore 1 by 2, this is y square integration is y cube by 3 varying from 0 to 1, so this is 1 upon 6, 1 minus 0, that is 1 upon 6. Now come to this one, I2. So I2, when we solve, I will just draw this line. Okay, so when we solve I2, again x variable is the inner integration, so y variable will be treated as constant. So y x square by 2 as the integration of x varying from 0 to 2 minus y and dy. So let us first simplify this quantity. So y 1 by 2 I will take outside of the integration. X square means it is 2 minus y whole square minus 0 dy. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 integration 1 to 2 y. If you expand this one, it is 4 minus 4y plus y square dy. So this is 1 by 2. Let us multiply each quantity with y, then this one will be 4y minus 4y square plus y cube dy. So when you take the integration, it will be 4 y square by 2 varying from 1 to 2, 4 y cube by 3 varying from 1 to 2 plus y raised to 4 by 4 varying from 1 to 2. So that is equal to, this will get cancelled. So 1 by 2 is in the entire multiple of the entire expression. So I will write this curly bracket. After that, 2 outside of this calculation, then it is y square. So 2 square minus 1 square minus 4 by 3, then y cube. So it is 2 cube minus 1 cube, that is this one, plus 1 by 4 quantity. 2 raised to 4 is 16 and 1 raised to 4 is just 1. So this curly bracket will be completed over here. So this is 1 by 2. This is 3. So 6 minus 4 by 3 into 7 plus 1 by 4 into 15. So solve this one and tell me the final answer. Will be the LCM in that case. So this is 72, 4 into 3 into 4. So it will be 112 and then it will be 45 upon 4 into 3. So what is the simplification? Is it 5 upon 24?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Right. So that is what. So I will give this as 2, this as 1. So I can write from, or substituting the value of 1 and 2 in star, substituting the values of 1 and 2 in star, we get. तो क्या मिलेगा? Oh, it is completed. I will just complete it over here. The slides are completed. So it is expression we are given 0 to 1, x square to 2 minus x, x y dy dx is equal to I1, which is 1 by 6 plus 5 by 24. So simplification will be 3 by 8, which is the final answer. So now tedious part we have done. What I will give you homework, you consider the original strip only, that is the blue color strip, and evaluate this integral. You will get the same answer 3 by 8 in that case, and you can see that how calculations are simple in that case as compared to this case. Right? So is it clear to everyone from this exam? Anyone having any doubt regarding this example? If not, then I can quickly take up one example based on the change of order, which is the last one. Okay, this one. So evaluate. Please give me your 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. So that this change of order will be completed over here, right? Which is in your syllabus. That's why I wanted to complete it today only. So evaluate the integral. This is the limit of y you are given. This is the limit of x you are given. See here, dA is given. No order we are given to. So in that case, this is represented by straight line. This is represented by parabola. X variable limit is constant. So original strip is vertical in nature. So by changing the order, we have to consider the horizontal strip, right? So let me write it down once again. Just wait. I will consider, yeah. So we are given the integration limit y is equal to 0 to 1. Sorry, not y variable we are given x variable value, which is 0 to 2, and y variable is varying from 2 minus x to 4 minus x square. Integrand is just x dA. So if I draw this particular lines, so x is equal to 0 means it is y-axis, x is equal to 2 means it will be, suppose 1 2 3, so this is x is equal to 2 means it will be this particular line. Then y is equal to 2 minus x. So when I consider x is equal to 0, y variable will take the value 2. So 1 and 2, suppose I can consider this as 0, 2. So one intersection point will be this one. At x is equal to 2, y value is 0. That means one intersecting point is this one. So line joining these 2 points will be this one. Fine. So y is equal to 2 minus x is this one. One point will be 1, 1, right? It is this one. And y is equal to 4. Y is equal to square root of 4 minus x square. What does it represent?
Circle.
Circle centered at origin with radius 4. Sorry, 2. 4 means it is 2 square. So it is x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. So this is represented by the circle centered at origin with radius 2. So suppose this is the corresponding circle if I draw. So 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 will be the points which will lie on this circle, right? So it will be given by this expression x square plus y square is equal to 2 square, that is 4. So let us see the region we are given. So if you see this, so first of all x is equal to 0 means it is this particular line, then x is equal to 2 means it is this particular line, then y is equal to 2 minus x means it is this one, and then the boundary of the circle, that is this one. So given region you are having this, which is bounded by the line as well as the parabola, in which x variable having constant limits. So this is the original strip we are given, and now we want to change the order. That means we have to consider the perpendicular strip to the original strip, that is this one. In that case, y variable will have the constant limits. So what are those limits? Allow to move this strip in this y direction. What will be the constant limits?
0 to 2.
0 to 2.
0 to 2. वेरी गुड. y वेरिएबल जब भी ये स्ट्रिप को y एक्सिस में मूव करोगे कांस्टेंट लिमिट आएगी, और x वेरिएबल की लिमिट कहाँ से कहाँ मूव हो रही है? तो दिस लाइन टू दिस कर्व. तो दिस लाइन इन टर्म्स ऑफ x इज नथिंग बट y इज इक्वल x इज इक्वल टू 2 minus y to x square की लिमिट in terms of y. So what it will be? 4 minus y square. Yes, integrand will remain same. Then this is in terms of x, so first dx and then dy, right? So when you solve this integration, what it will be? So 0 to 2, integration is x square by 2, 2 minus y2 square root of 4 minus y square dy. So that is equal to 1 by 2 I will take outside, x square and its square root, so it is 4 minus y square, this quantity, minus 2 minus 1 whole square. I will write this bracket to represent the integration with the whole integral. So this is 1 by 2, 0 to 2, 4 minus y square, minus, when you expand this is 4, middle term having minus sign, but minus sign is already there in the outside of the parenthesis, so it will become plus now, plus 4y, expansion will contain positive sign, but because of this negative sign again will have the negative sign. So that is what we have. So this 4 and 4 gets cancelled, right? In that case, the simplification is given by 4y minus 2y square dy. So this is 1 by 2, 4y square by 2 minus 2y cube by 3. We have to substitute the value 0 to 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. So this is 1 by 2, 2 square, that is 4 minus 0, minus 2 by 3 into 8 minus 0. So simplification, if you see, you will get 4 by 3 as the final answer. Anyone having any doubt in this example?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, it would be 8 minus 0, no? 2 square into 2, no?
Just a minute. What you are talking about?
The third part means y square into 2, no?
Y square into 2.
Yes, means 4 into y square by 2. 2 cut means 2 into y square. Means y square is 2 into 4 over there.
This is correct.
Ma'am, downward term, the last third. In that is correct, but evaluation over there would be 8 minus 0, no?
4, just a minute. Yeah,
Zero
yeah.
there.
You are talking about this one, no? It is 8 by 2.
Yes.
Yes. Because it is 2 is already there and then we are taking the sum. So this is 8 minus 0. But ultimate answer will be 4 by 3. Just check. Any other question or any other doubt? Okay, do a practice. Okay, please practice कीजिएगा. कोई भी डाउट है तो कल we will solve, otherwise we will go for the next topic. तो आज अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. I will advise you. एंड प्रैक्टिस में भी देख लीजिए, मेन चीज है कि चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर करने के बाद जो लिमिट्स आपको डिटरमाइन करनी है, इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद इट देन द रेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स आर इजी, राइट? So now if you don't have a doubt, you can leave this meeting. Bye, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.